Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn off autoplay on YouTube desktop. So once you are on YouTube, just open up any video you want. Now, once you are on the video and it's playing, you want to go ahead and toggle on to the video itself when this will appear. You can also stop the video so you would see it all the time. And now here are some settings, and here is the autoplay. So autoplay is probably always on automatically, so you just want to toggle it off, and here it is. If you don't see it, try to sign in or sign out of your YouTube account and refresh it, clear the caches on your Google Chrome or any other web browser you're using, and then it should appear here. And you can turn it on just like so. Also, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.